Hi everyone, meet Harlow. Harlow has been visiting Dogs and Paws on a 4 to 8 week recurring grooming schedule for about 5 months now. She used to visit the salon, but mom decided to elevate her grooming experience, so now I visit her on the van. Either way, because Harlow is on a routine grooming schedule, you can see she's completely stress free and desensitized to the grooming experience. Dogs thrive on routine and feel most comfortable when they know what to expect. This is why consistent grooming matters. A calm grooming experience doesn't happen overnight. Keeping your dog on a 4 to 8 week recurring grooming schedule helps them feel comfortable and confident, especially when haircuts are part of their care.